Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials working. Plug in your headset, set it as the default device on your console or PC, and then launch GTA Online. Once done, open Pause Settings Voice Chat and turn Voice on. This activates the in-game voice system rather than party chat. Next, choose your voice method: proximity for local talk, crew for group talk, or a mix, because that determines who hears you mid-session. Do this now so audio routes correctly before you join players. Now fine-tune settings so people actually hear you. Open audio options and pick your mic device, then adjust input and output volumes while watching the mic meter in-game. That tells you if your voice is reaching the server. Once configured, use the interaction menu to instantly mute noisy players or toggle voice modes during a heist. Then test in a quiet session or with a friend to verify proximity range and crew channels behave as expected. Because real gameplay exposes, finish by joining a proper session or crew run and speaking naturally to confirm everything works under load. If teammates can't hear you, make sure you're not in party chat instead of in-game voice, then check console/PC privacy and microphone permissions. Often the OS blocks the game from accessing the mic. If that doesn't help, restart GTA or your system, reselect the default mic, or change the push-to-talk key. Quick tip: toggling party chat off and returning to in-game voice fixes many common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.